Good morning, Jai Swaminarayan to all the dear students. Myself Vinod sir. Today I am going to take your first chapter of max rational numbers. Now, what do you mean by rational numbers? So all the numbers, all the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1000 or minus 1, everything they all are rational numbers. What they all are called rational numbers. It can be fraction, it can be division, it can be mixed number, everything that all are called rational numbers. Now just what are rational numbers? So just you will see that rational numbers are closed under operation of addition, subtraction and multiplication. What they are closed under? Operation of addition, subtraction and multiplication. Second, the operation addition and multiplication. Now which are the, we will do the different operation. What? Addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now for rational numbers we will use commutative, and second one is the associative for rational numbers. Next, the rational number 0 is called additive identity. What is additive identity? Additive identity means whatever number you will add by 0. Suppose I will add 1 plus 0, it will be number itself 1. If I add 100 by 0, 100 plus 0, it will be 100. If I add minus 20 plus 0, it will be minus 20 only. So it is the additive rational identity for what it is? 0. Second, the rational number 1 is multiplicative identity. Any number multiplied by 1, for example 7, 7 1 ja 7, 100 1 ja 100, 1 lakh 1 ja 1 lakh. So it is called multiplicative identity for rational number. Next, the additive inverse of rational number a by b is b by a and vice versa. Vice versa means for a by b it is b by a and for b by b it is a by b. Additional inverse, what? Additive inverse. 2 upon 3, it will become 3 upon 2. What? 2 upon 3, it will become 3 upon 2. That is the additive inverse. Next, the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of rational number. What? It is called reciprocal. Means ulta jo karte hai. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of rational number a by b is c by d. When? If a upon b into c upon d equals to 1. What? A upon b into c upon d equals to 1. For just example, a upon b is given. Suppose it is given 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. So it will be 1. What? It will be 1. Why? 3 ones are 3 cut, 2 and 2 cut. What we will get? 1. So that is the reciprocal, or we can say multiplicative inverse of rational number. Now comes the distributive property of rational number. What? Distributive property for rational number? All the rational numbers, so they may be a, b, c, p, q, r, s, t, u, whatever you take. What it is? 2 are there for subtraction and addition. A into b plus c equals to a will multiply with b and a will multiply with c. So a into b, that will be ab, addition sign is there, and a into c, that will become ac. So this is the additive property, distributive property for addition. Now distributive property for subtraction. A into b minus c. So this a will multiply with b and a will multiply with c. So we will get ab minus ac. This is distributive subtraction property of rational number. Now rational numbers can be represented on number line. Whichever rational number you take, that can be represented on number line. But we can represent it on number line. Just for example, I will show you. Suppose we take the rational number 5. So we have to represent 5 on the number line. So how can we represent? Just I will take a rational number, a number line. Just I put it here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will just another 5, 6. So where is the 5? I can represent it. Suppose I name it a. Okay. If it is given minus 2, it is a negative rational number. That also I can here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this is minus 2 as a b. So it is a negative. We can represent in rational number. Okay. Suppose I am taking a number 3 by 2. What? I am taking a number 3 by 2. How to represent it? So just this is a improper fraction. What? It is a improper fraction. We will change it into mixed fraction. What we will get? 2 ones are and 1. 1 integer 1 by 2. So now you can see it is greater than 1 and less than 2. So 1 it is here and here it is the 2. So between that one part, so this will indicate as 3 by 2. Understand? So each and every rational number can be represented on number line. Now, rational numbers can be positive. Just I said, this 2, 3, 4, 1, 5,000, everything, they are the positive rational number. If we go below 0, so that are the negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, they are the negative rational numbers. And another is, there will be additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Okay, suppose 2 is there, so what will be the additive inverse? Minus 2. What will be there? Minus 2. Suppose 2 is there, so what will be additive? Minus 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. If for multiplicative inverse it is 1 by 2, it will become 2 by 1. That is the multiplicative inverse. What? That is the multiplicative inverse. So this is the basic points for rational number. Just you go through. Okay, if anything you don't understand, just put a comment. I will clear that out. And in the next chapter, next period, I will do the sums, okay, of this chapter. Thank you everyone.